Hi, I'm Gary, Product Manager for X-ray fluorescence products at SciMed. SciMed offers the widest range of X-ray fluorescence products in the UK, with full cradle-to-grave product support, including locally based, factory-trained service engineers and dedicated application support through our experienced specialist. Today I'm here to introduce the Bowman XRF range of X-ray coating thickness analyzers. The Bowman family of XRF analyzers is ideally suited to all coating thickness and small component test requirements, with a well-established global customer base in many industry applications, including PCB and electronic component manufacturing, metal finishing and anti-corrosion coatings, jewelry analysis, and plating bath analysis, to name but a few. So why buy Bowman XRF? Bowman XRFs offer unbeaten coating thickness measurement range, from less than 0.01 microns up to 110 microns, depending upon the metal of interest, and can measure metals as light as aluminium for some applications. Bowman are the only coating thickness analyzer manufacturer to offer high-resolution silicon drift detectors as standard across their entire range. These state-of-the-art detectors offer benefits in speed of analysis, reliability, minimum detectable thickness, and their ability to handle complex coatings containing multiple metals. Every product in the Bowman range is fully compliant with IPC 4552 for ENIG, electroless nickel immersion gold, as used in the PCB manufacturing process. The simple, intuitive user interface offers features such as one-touch analysis, where samples are automatically focused and measured at the push of a button, and a fully searchable, traceable database for access to historical information. Overall, SciMed and Bowman offer a complete coating thickness solution based upon years of experience, with support tailored to your individual requirements. So for more information or to discuss a product demonstration, please call on the number or click on the link in the description below. Thank you.